In today's video, I'm going to be talking about what, in my opinion, are 3 of the best paid tools you guys can use if you're trying to take Redbubble seriously. If you're ready for this one, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into it. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand shops. Now, if you do happen to be new around here and you haven't already, please do click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on my new videos. We've actually helped a lot of people to make their first online sales through sites like Redbubble. However, if you are looking for any extra information, down in the description, I have a free print-on-demand starter guide, which features a lot of the things that I did when I first started. However, if you are looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing, I also do have a paid step-by-step guide that's linked down below. Okay, so the best paid Redbubble tools. That is the main topic for today. That is what's on the plate, and we're most definitely gonna eat it all up. I'm gonna do my best to kind of go a little bit more in depth when I'm talking about these tools, how I use them, how they've benefited me, and obviously how they can do all those things for you as well. So make sure to watch up until the end so you're not missing out on any useful information. So starting us off, we have Merch Informer. Now, some of you guys are probably already aware of Merch Informer because I use Merch Informer when I'm doing my top 10 trends of the week videos. A lot of the niches, a lot of the trends that I get for those videos, I find through this. It's very useful. There's so much information that could be used to create a variation of design and a lot of designs. And yeah, it's helped me personally with my own shops. One thing I like about Merch Informer is that if you've never tried it before, they actually offer people a free 3-day trial where you can test it, try it. I do actually have an affiliate link for Merch Informer down in the description. If you can go to their site through my link, it'll kind of let them know that I've sent you over there. And in all honesty, if you do want to get some sales on Redbubble, I'm not saying you need to have Merch Informer. Merch Informer just makes it a lot less time consuming to get ideas that have a high chance of actually getting sales. Just to quickly show you guys how Merch Informer works. When you go on Merch Informer, whether you're going for the subscription or the free trial, when you go into product research, they have a section that's titled Movers and Shakers. Now, this is probably my favorite section to go onto. There are a few others, but on this section, you can see what's trending today. And in terms of what's trending, it will be showing you things that are trending on Amazon. Now, obviously, Amazon is the best online marketplace. You can change this to weekly or monthly. If you're looking for more evergreen based design, if you search monthly, it'll make it easier to find more evergreen styled designs. Like a lot of the designs that are popping up at the moment are linked to kindergarten and back to school designs, mainly because that's what's been doing well in the past month. But every now and again, as you go through here, you will see things that are awesome since 2008. Obviously, if you wanted to scale this, you could put a range of different years in there. There's one here that says, I can't, I'm in law school. You could change this to I can't, I'm in, and then you can put whatever other subject you want there. I mean, it's just a great place for getting ideas, and they show you how popular the designs are. So, for example, this may be trending, but it's only getting an estimated sale per person, whereas this, so the mom life design, is getting an estimated 7 sales per person. So obviously you'll be more inclined to make these kinds of designs. The information you get from Merch Informer is really good, and I mean, they have a lot of other things on there. In fact, rather than me going in depth into a lot of the other things that they have that are very useful, down in the description I'll put a video that I covered talking about Merch Informer in full. So if you are someone who's interested about learning more about Merch Informer, definitely check that out. But yeah, overall, Merch Informer is one of my favorite tools because it saves me time, and at the end of the day, time is money. Next up, we have Vexels, and Vexels is a great site to use if you're trying to get designs or if you're trying to get templates for your designs. This is something that allows me to make designs that are more complicated than I would be able to make by myself. Vexels is just a site that really helps me to make my designs stand out in comparison to other people in some of the niches that I'm in. Down in the description, once again, I've got an affiliate link to Vexels. So if you want to check them out, if you go through that link, it'll show them that I sent you there. But once again, this is a tool that you don't have to use. I understand some of you guys are great at designing, so you might not need Vexels, but for those people that struggle with designs or that struggle with making their designs stand out and look professional, Vexels is a site that will definitely help you to step up your game in that sector. And when you first jump onto Vexels, this is what it looks like. Straight off the bat, you can see the graphics that they offer. So you've got PSD t-shirts, mockups, PNGs, vector designs, all these things. And if we were to go into PSD t-shirts, it'll show you various PSD, so Photoshop templates you can download and open up. And I know a lot of you guys may be thinking, oh, I don't have Photoshop, so I wouldn't be able to open any of these designs. If you don't have Photoshop, you can easily jump on Google, search Photopea, and Photopea will open up. And this is pretty much like a free online version of Photoshop that you guys can use. And Photopea is pretty much like a free online version of Photoshop you guys can actually open these templates up on. When I'm looking to download templates from Vexels, I usually look for templates that are text-based. That way I can easily just change the text and edit it in my own way. And it's always really important to change up any templates you get from them, because Vexels is a site that's available to a lot of people. So you want to be making sure that any template that you get from them, that you actually edit it slightly in your own way. But they do actually give you a boost in regards of the style and the colors to use in your design, just to make sure that your designs do, at the end of the day, look very professional. They've actually added in a lot of new features recently. For example, if you're looking for certain designs, you can search by niches. And for example, scrolling through, you can see culture, finances, tennis, astrology, arts. There's a lot of variation of niches there, and you could literally click on one of these and look for either PSD templates or even look for vector images that you can use with your designs. There's a lot available when it comes to Vexels, and if you're someone who's interested in it, who wants to know more, I have actually covered a full video on Vexels, so I'll link that down in the description, and that video will pretty much guide you through what you need to know and the essentials that Vexels offer. To finish up, we have PODConnect. Now, PODConnect is by far probably one of my favorite, if not the best tool, because it saves me so much time. I can't stress how much time PODConnect saves me. And PODConnect is something that could be used with a variation of sites. From, as you can see there, Redbubble to Spreadshirt, even Etsy. PODConnect could be used with a lot of different print-on-demand sites. One thing I like about PODConnect is that it's very, very easy to use. Once you've tried it a few times, it's fairly easy to use. And most importantly, it will save you a lot of time. And what this allows you to do is to just automatically upload your designs. So for example, when you upload onto Redbubble, usually you'd have to click on a design, upload it, or copy the settings, upload it, and then if you have 30 designs, you need to go through that process 30 times. One thing that's great about PODConnect is the fact that they allow you to put all your upload information onto a spreadsheet. It's very, very easy to do. And that information, you just upload it once. And if you have 30 images, you just click one button and they'll just be uploading by themselves without you having to touch anything. You can literally preset everything. PODConnect is probably the only reason that I can run multiple Redbubble stores plus this YouTube channel without my brain exploding, because it just takes away so much of the work. From what I can see on their site, they're still actually offering free trials. So if you want to try it out for free to see how it works for you, you can always try it out. The same people that made Merch Informer are also the same people that make PODConnect, and from that you can already tell the people that know what's going in within the print-on-demand space. So they've kind of optimized this site so it helps people within the print-on-demand space. If you want to use PODConnect or you want to try it out, there'll be a link down in the description. Once again, it's an affiliate link, so if you click on it, it will let them know that I sent you to them. And like all the tools I've spoke about throughout this video, you don't need to use PODConnect at all. You can literally just upload one design at a time and go about things that way. The only reason I use it is because it saves me a lot of time. And if I can upload a lot of designs onto multiple shops without stressing myself, for me, that's a worthy investment at the end of the day because time is money. I have actually made a full video talking about PODConnect, showing you guys how I upload using PODConnect. So if you want to learn a bit more about it, see what my process is with it, you can check that video out down in the description. As for today, I think I'm going to leave it there. Down in the comment section, let me know if you're thinking of trying this out, or if you just enjoy this information, just comment down good info and I'll try to respond to as many of you guys as possible. I'll leave it there, guys. Always remember that everything is rigged in your favor and manifest success.